Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul. Charlie, a new year is coming. Many people feel excited.
Yes, that's true. New Year makes us think. We ask ourselves, what should I do better?
I feel the same. Today, we will talk about a special question. How should Muslims welcome the new year?
Paul, some people celebrate with parties and noise, but many Muslims think differently.
Yes, exactly. Muslims often welcome the new year with calm hearts.
That sounds peaceful. I like that idea.
In Islam, time is very important. Each year is a gift from Allah.
That's true. A new year is not just a date. It is a chance to reflect.
Muslims welcome the new year by thanking Allah for life and health.
Gratitude is powerful. It makes the heart calm.
They also think about their actions. What was good? What was wrong?
Yes, self-reflection helps us grow. I feel this is very meaningful.
Many Muslims make good intentions, called niyah. They plan to pray more, speak kindly, and help others.
Small good actions matter. Even a smile can be charity.
Exactly. Islam teaches balance. No loud celebrations, but strong faith and good deeds.
That's beautiful. It teaches discipline and purpose.
Some Muslims read the Quran, make dua, and ask for forgiveness.
Asking forgiveness cleans the heart. I really like that message.
So, welcoming the new year in Islam is about change from inside.
Yes, it is about becoming a better person step by step.
We can all learn from this. Use time wisely. Be kind. Be thankful.
I agree. No matter who you are, a new year is a new chance.
Start with one good habit. Stay consistent.
Believe in yourself and trust Allah's plan.
Thank you for learning with us today.
And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment what you learn from this video.